Hello guys, review Xiaomi Pad 7, this version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB storage, open box and look completion. Oops, in completion of course, tablet. We have perfect display, 3.2K, 144 refresh rate display, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and massive battery. Okay, in this we have only Type-C cable. This is all completion. Okay. Stereo speakers, Type-C port on this side, upside wall buttons, camera on the back side, full metal body, and power button on this side. Turn on the display. We have Android 15 and Xiaomi HyperOS version 2. Open Geekbench 6 and look score. Single core score, multi-core score. Results. Very good results. Okay, and look under the benchmark. Perfect. PUBG Mobile works on the very high graphic level, max graphic level we have in this game. Very high graphic level. Okay, close this. Open camera. We have camera 13 megapixels. Video recording we have 4K. Okay. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.